Hello and nice to meet you virtually. My name is Brian Bailey. I'm currently attending City College of San Francisco with the goal of reaching an associate in science degree. While in college, I went through several major surgeries to the upper extremity. Here they are in the order received. First was an arthroscopy, also known as a clean out to the left shoulder joint, and while going through the rehabilitation process and riding a bicycle, I was struck by another automobile while crossing a crosswalk with a go signal. This caused the second surgery to the same shoulder, leading to a total shoulder replacement with an artificial joint now known as arthroplasty. In the following months, I received a proximal row carpectomy, PRC, to the right side, and this is where the surgeon removes the front row of bones from the wrist. Still in the rehabilitation process, and coming from an active background as a commercial diver who used to love surfing and scuba diving as a passion, and after my auto accident, I was pushed into gaining knowledge with higher education. This is now leading to a career change as a non-traditional student with a variety of new choices to choose. Now an art and business entrepreneur studying for health, wellness, and real estate. I'd like to thank everyone who took the time to watch this video and meeting you folks virtually, and I really appreciate the opportunity of receiving an open scholarship. Have an awesome day. Respectfully, Brian Bailey.